I'm very wet, as you can see. Good morning, guys! Happy Holy Week! So we just finished pumping and I have to pour my cups because it is overflowing. See, I'm so wet all over. Wait. Shoot. Look at how full this cup is. And it spilled a lot on my shirt. Oh my god. Another full cup. Guys, you've seen me now and then sharing with you the milk booster that I've been using. So I got a restock of my milk booster. So this is not the final packaging, guys. It looks like this. So it's 20 grams per packet and I will take one right now. So it looks like this, the syrup. Guys, this is sugar-free, huh? This goes well with everyone. This is really my favorite. This is the reason why my supply didn't tank or decrease when I went on vacation. Like, my supply was very stable right now, as you can see. Even if I went on vacation and I wasn't pumping on schedule, it didn't decrease that much, maybe just a few ounces, but this really helped me, guys. This is not the final packaging. It will be in a better packaging. I've been trying this out for, I think, more or less 3 months already. And I keep getting comments saying, hi, my sister is actually here. I keep getting comments saying that, when am I gonna share my milk booster? Guys, I really want to perfect it and try it out before I release this product because I really want you guys to feel the effectiveness of this. I want to perfect the taste, everything about this. We already have a brand name and we will be sharing it very soon. I will be also giving this out like samples to my friends, my family who are also breastfeeding to make them try it and give their thoughts about it because so far I'm the only one who's been trying it out. And guys, you know, I'm very, very picky of what I drink. I really use effective lactation support. So guys, this will not magically make you an oversupplier, ha? It doesn't work that way. So this will only boost it. It is a lactation support. So it is not a magic potion, but it can really help maintain and boost your milk supply a few ounces per session. So anyway, let's do a pump and pour. And I will be giving this out in a very affordable price. It's so yummy. I'm obsessed, actually. Let's do a pump and pour because we're actually gonna go to a coffee shop right now. We have a new thing right now that we're trying out all the coffee shops here in Jensan because we're doing our market research for our upcoming cafe. So very exciting times. This is so funny. It's like in the province where you have gasoline. It's really fun because in the province, they have gasoline in soda bottles, like in the Coke bottles, and they do it like this. And then they do like that. So that reminds me of that. Which is so funny. So I used my favorite pump, Mom Cozy V1 Pro. I also have a giveaway. I will be announcing the giveaway, guys, on Sunday. So I think Sunday is Easter Sunday, which is the perfect time to announce the giveaway winner. So I'm very excited to choose a lucky mommy who will win the Mom Cozy V1 Pro. So if you haven't already, do join the giveaway because I will be reading the comments on Sunday and choosing the winner on Sunday. Happy Holy Week, guys! Hope
Bye,
you
guys.
have a great rest of the holiday.